Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Come couponing with us at Walmart to save 80%. We are going to be grabbing about $65 worth of products for less than $15 after all of our cash back. A lot of people don't know this, but you can actually coupon at Walmart using only your phone by stacking your deals and earning cash back. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you step by step, show you the rebates, let you know about the rebate apps, the whole 9 yards, and I make it even better for you. Below in the description box are free printable breakdowns. I have the link to the different rebate apps that I use as well at the top. So it's a one-stop shop. Download the rebate apps, check the rebates, take it to the store and be able to save 75%. There's also a bunch of clearance finds in there, especially in the toy section. I grabbed one for my son. So definitely look at the clearance because Christmas is right around the corner. So I start grabbing little things here and there throughout the rest of the year. So that way you're not doing all of your Christmas shopping at once and like $1,000 is coming out of your budget. Speaking of holiday shopping, starting August 31st, I have a free holiday savings challenge where the challenge is to save $1,000 in your holiday savings fund by Black Friday. So that way your Christmas can already be paid for. That can cover your gifts, travel, that can cover food, whatever you're going to be doing for the holidays to take the stress and the financial strain out of the holidays. You can actually just have fun and have a peaceful holiday season. So if you want to join and register for my free holiday savings challenge, we start August 31st. So that link will be below for you. You're going to put your email. I'll email you over the link to the Facebook group, all the free access that you're going to be getting. I'll be going live, teaching you different things every single week. I am super excited. So many goodies are in this so that way you guys can save the money for your holiday. So that'll be below for you guys. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Bree. I help you save money using only your phone on all of your household essentials. So you can take the savings and pay off your debt, grow your emergency fund, or take that annual family vacation. So if that's something you're wanting to do, you should definitely click that subscribe button and stick around. Let's head inside Walmart and take advantage of some incredible deals this week. First, we're going to start with a deal that is a double stacking rebate, but honestly, I still would not actually recommend doing it because we can get these a lot cheaper at Walgreens or CVS. So this large Colgate here is $7.24, which is crazy. Submit to Ibotta, you're going to get back $4, and then I have the 5-cent any toothpaste rebate as well. So that's going to make your final cost $3.19. But again, we usually get these for 99 cents, so still not the best deal. We also have a decent deal on the Axe products. So you're going to grab 2 of the stick deodorants here for $4.97 each. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 each. The limit is 2. Then you're going to submit to Swagbucks for $3 back when you buy 2. Makes your final cost $3.94 for 2 of them or $1.98 a piece. Next, we have a really good deal on the large Axe sprays. You're going to grab 2 of these that are $6.88 each. Submit to Ibotta for $2.50 cash back each. Limit is 2. That gives you $5 back. Then on Swagbucks, you'll get $5 back on 2. Makes your final cost just $1.88 a piece. Great deal. Next, we have a deal on the Dial foaming hand soap. You're going to grab any 2 of these, $2.47 each. Submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back when you buy 2. And on Swagbucks, you'll get $2.50 back for buying 2. Makes your final cost only 98 cents a piece, so that's definitely a great deal. Next deal is on Got2b products. So my store actually doesn't carry, I guess, the wax stick, but I'm going to show you guys the deal in case your store does. First product you want to grab is the wax stick. It's like a small thing like this big. It should be $6.97. Submit to Ibotta for $1.50 back. You're also going to grab the Got2b glued for $6.97. On Ibotta, you'll get $1 back. For doing both of those rebates, you'll get $1 bonus. Then on Swagbucks, you'll get $5 back for buying 2. And on Fetch Rewards, you'll get $2 back for spending 12. Makes your final cost $3.44 for both or $1.72 a piece. So let me know if your store carries it and if you score. Another good deal is on the Vaseline products. So I saw these are on clearance here. If it's something that you like for $5.50, submit to Ibotta for $2 back, makes it $3.50. It does work on this rebate or on this product. I did scan the little baby ones. It does not attach. The other product you could grab is this tub here for $3.97. You'll get $2 back, makes it $1.97. So grab whichever product you want. It works on the lotions as well. That would make your final cost $2.48. Next, we have an amazing deal on these Lysol travel wipes. I'm going to grab 5 of them. They're $1.50 each. On Ibotta, we'll get $1 cash back each, and I have 2 10-cent any item rebates. Makes your final cost 46 cents a piece. Next, we have a bunch of really good deals on my favorite razors, the Bic Soleil. These are $5.47. Grab one, submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Then on Fetch Rewards, you'll get $1 cash back, makes it $2.47, which is over 50% off. The next option you can grab has to be on the peach and pineapple variety for $6.97. Submit to Ibotta for $2 cash back. Then on Fetch Rewards, you'll get $2 back. Makes it $2.97, about what, 60% off? Next deal I'm grabbing, my dogs tried when it was free, and I use it as like a topper on top of their dry food, and they absolutely love it. So now I'm stuck grabbing it every single time. They're only $6.98 for these little tiny meatballs. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back. If you do this rebate plus the dry food rebate, you'll get the bonus, but I'm just going to grab this. Makes it $3.98 for something that my dogs really love. Next, we're grabbing some laundry products. The Arm & Hammer scent boosters are actually my favorite in the light scent. They're $4.93. Grab 2 of them. You can grab only 1 if you want. Submit to Ibotta for $3 back. Makes it $1.93 a piece, which is an amazing deal. But this rebate does expire in 1 day, so run if you want it. Then we're grabbing one of these 43 loads of the Arm & Hammer detergent for $3.84. Submit to Ibotta for $2 back. The limit on this is 1, so you can only grab 1. Makes it $1.84. Separately, you could put this on a separate receipt and then do Walmart cash, and that limit is 2. So in total, you could grab 3 of them, and your final cost would still be $1.84 a piece. Next deal you can grab is on the 57 count, has to be the Finish Ultimate for $18.16. Submit to Ibotta for $4 back. The limit is 1, makes it $14.16. Next deal we're grabbing is a repeat deal. It's on the matcha applesauce pouches. My son loves these, so this is literally perfect. I'm going to grab 2 of them. It has to be the 4 count for $3.84 each. Then we're going to submit over to Swag Bucks. We're going to get back $5 when you buy 2 of them, and on checkout 51, we have 75 cents cash back each. Makes them 59 cents a piece. Amazing. We're also grabbing some of the Jif Simply for $2.98. Submit over to Ibotta. It's another double stacking rebate, giving you 65 cents back. Makes it only $2.34. Next, we have a huge moneymaker deal on the Yasso frozen yogurt. I actually really like this product. We're going to grab 4 of them. Submit to Ibotta for $2 back each. On Swagbucks, we'll get $6 back for every 2, and the limit is 2, so we'll get $12 back. And Fetch Rewards, we'll get $1.25 back each. Makes all 4 of them free and a $3.92 moneymaker. All right, we're back in from Walmart. It is freaking hot out, so we're going to real quick go through all of this. I have my AC a little bit lower so that you guys don't hear this crazy noise. So while I'm in the parking lot, as you can see, I take my printable breakdown and I write the different rebate apps that I used, and I submit my receipt. So first, I always do Ibotta. Got back $24.85 plus the $5 midweek bonus. Swagbucks, I got $11.25 cash back. Checkout 51, I got $1.50 back. And on Fetch Rewards, $5.53 back. So in total, we earned back about $48 on those products that we were grabbing. We have ice cream. We have the applesauce for my son. I got dog food for my dogs, Lysol wipes, all products that we actually use, and we're saving money by stacking our deals. Now, final step, very important. We've got to make sure we're tracking this in a budget spreadsheet. There's one that's going to be included for free in that challenge, and that's going to be my simple coupon spreadsheet. So let's head home. I'll show you exactly how to track your spending so you can really see your savings and know exactly how much you have to be able to transfer. Now that we are back home, we have our digital budget spreadsheet pulled up. This is the budget spreadsheet that you're going to track everything. So your groceries and everything are going to be on this side. Your income, you're also going to have like a budget set up, the whole 9 yards. So if you don't have a budget spreadsheet and you want mine, it's $8. I'll link it above where it says get spreadsheet here. You guys can download it. It comes with video trainings as well to show you step by step exactly how to use it. What we're going to do is 1 line per receipt. At Walmart, there's only 1 receipt. I do it all in 1 transaction, so it's super, super easy. Watch how this takes me 30 seconds. So sale price, Walmart, there's not really sale prices. It's just the prices of the product. So I'm going to put $63.74. I paid $63.74. And then cash back that I earned, we are going to add all this up. So it is $24.85 plus 5. $48.13. So our cash cost after taxes was $15.61. That's amazing. So we saved 75% today at Walmart. Part of that is because we got that huge moneymaker with Yasso. It was almost a $4 moneymaker. So that helped lower the cost of the other products we were grabbing. And it's a product I love anyway. If you haven't tried it, definitely recommend it. It's a little bit of a healthier option for ice cream, but it's still absolutely delicious. If you guys have any questions or anything, let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to register for my free holiday savings challenge. We start August 31st. That'll be in the description as well. And I will see you there. Bye.